London Bridge. Calling at London Bridge only. This train is for the main coaches. Platform 1 for 10:44.
Will you guys try and find
Well,
we're a bit wet. We're trying to see where we are. Jamal thinks he knows. We're all pointing our maps. We're not quite sure. The girls think it's inside their front room in front of a roaring fire. Jamal thinks it's over here. I can't see a footpath sign, but he thinks there is one. Someone tell me what's got to happen now.
when we hit the road, we'll see a footpath going left.
Yeah?
A road going right.
You think there's a road there?
Yeah, we're going to take the road going right.
You think so, Holly? Holly nods, hoping it is. That was an excellent pace. That's what I call a walking pace. That was first rate.
Jamal was all the way at the front.
Excellent, Jamal. Two people do it well. Oh, there we are. Give us a smile, my sister. We're drying off the logs before we burn them. It's so wet, we're giving the logs a pre-burn to get them dry on our fire to cook our tea. Right, let's get this. I am attempting to make chocolate chip cookies in a Dutch oven at camp, and I've got all my bits. It's done. So I'm beating in sugar and soft margarine. And okay, 2 eggs have gone in there, and then when it's all creamy, 2 1/4 cups of flour is nicely mixed in. The chocolate chips. Amazing. This is where I could be getting this wrong. I'm putting all of this onto a greaseproof. Now all that greaseproof could catch fire, in which case I'm in the poop. And now the tricky bit, putting the fire on top of the lid. Let's see if this works. I actually preheated the lid, so maybe this will work. It's a big one. So I'm getting right, moment of truth. Oh, what do you reckon on that then, eh?
That looks like a really delicious cookie.
Let's get it off. We had to get it out. We had to get it out in 2 bits, but it's not bad. It's the biggest cookie you've ever seen. I thought it was going to be crispy, but anyway, there we go. We'll see what it's like in a minute. How's the damper? How's the chocolate chip cookie?
Amazing.
It's amazing. What was it like, Jamal?
Good.
That was good. Right, here's the next course. Dampers coming on. Andrew's doing dampers.
Kaylee.
And so we start for home after our camp. The girls' team and the boys' group. And they got different routes, but all to the same bus, I hope.
There should be a pathway going through fields.
Hello. Hello, animals. How are you? Are you well? Just say hello. Come and say hello. Come and say hello. Come here. Come say hello. Come say hello. Come on. Come on, come say hello. Come lick my hand. The boys break out onto the edge of the downs, and they've reached the highest point with a view in all directions. The girls are a couple of miles over that way somewhere now, and they should be heading down themselves soon on a bit of a parallel path. And everywhere blackberries, big ones. Oh, I know where he's going. Nom, nom, nom. Juicy one. Even good. Blackberries. I do love blackberries. Straight from there into there. The boys break out to an open field and head straight across it, which is what they should do. The boys have set off and on the right path. They made a mistake, but there's their path in the distance. Look very carefully. There they are. That's Max and Ronald with Jamal. Oops. They're a long way away. Well, they're about half a mile away. And they're heading over here. The girls I can't see. I thought I'd see them somewhere on this path, but I'm not seeing them. They had a bit of a tricky junction up the path a bit, but I thought I'd see them.
Look, Ronald's so bored of waiting for the girls. He's resorted to training with a bow staff.
I'm being a ninja.
Jamal,
What?
so have you enjoyed waiting for the girls?
Yeah.
How about Eddie? Have you enjoyed?
No, I haven't. I'm very angry that I'm waiting for the girls. Keep it going, keep it going. Oh, what happened? They got switched it up. What happened? Where are they? Hello, hello, hello. Hi, Josh. Oh, God.
Oh wow!
Oh, it's only Josh. Sorry, we're waiting for the girls and we can't know where they are. Oh,
Have we been
we're
waiting
in
for a
Western
call?
Village.
Oh wow!
And the boys are here. They've been here about nearly an hour now. I've been here about half an hour. And the girls aren't here at all. And it isn't exactly a long walk. So,
Guys, that's a great job.
well done, folks. The girls arrive. Something must have happened. Something must have happened. Who's going to tell the beans? Who's going to spill the beans? What happened, Holly?
You can tell it, Holly. Yeah, we will.
Up. She's not down there yet. Turn. Keep turning it. Just keep turning it. Keep turning it.
Turn my wrist. Look at it.
Take it hard.